Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm back with a new recipe. I'm going to be preparing chana pulao. After many years I'm preparing this recipe and I got to learn this recipe from my aunt. So she is the expert person who used to prepare this and I really used to enjoy it whenever I visited her in Hyderabad. So here I've already soaked my chickpeas, that is Kabuli Chana, and reserved it. We also call this as Kondakadalai in Tamil and Kadalai in Kannada. So this Kondakadalai or Kadalai is soaked overnight. It is doubled in volume. I rinsed it thoroughly. I've added it to a pressure cooker along with 2 cups of water. It's on medium flame now, and we'll add salt and quarter teaspoon of asafoetida. We'll cover the pressure cooker. We'll place the lid. Allow this to cook for 4 to 5 whistles. Because mine is a hard water, it takes long period for anything to cook. It depends from cooker to cooker as well how this chickpeas cook. Many people nowadays they prefer to use Instapot. If you have Instapot, cook your chickpeas in Instapot. Now my chickpeas are cooked. I've divided it into two because I'll be preparing two different recipes. My chickpeas are nice and mushy once you press it, so that's the consistency. Once my chickpea has cooked well, I've reserved some chickpea for the pulao. Now here I've reserved all the ingredients for the pulao. I'll be using yogurt. We need a fistful of mint and coriander, bay leaf, peppercorns, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, star anise, and Marathi mugu or that dried caper we need, and dried black cardamom. I'll be using thinly sliced onion, tomato, green chilies. Then I've taken equal portions of ginger and garlic, peeled it, washed it nicely, and ground it into a paste. We'll also be using some cumin seeds or Shahi Jeera for this recipe. Cooked chickpeas. I've reserved some basmati rice. So if you're using 250 grams chickpeas, 250 grams basmati rice. Equal amount. If you're preparing mutton biryani, chicken biryani, you would have seen me. I use 500 grams of meat or vegetable. Then I'll be adding 300 grams of rice to it. But here we need equal portion. Now what I'll do, I'll prepare a masala paste. In a mixer jar, I'll add yogurt. Many people have been asking me about my Prestige mixer jar. It is working very well. Only the switch I had to change once, but otherwise it's working well. Now I've added mint and coriander, half the amount of cinnamon, half the amount of cloves, then the entire peppercorns. I've added half the amount of cardamom. We'll reserve the bay leaf for later. We have ground this into a smooth paste. Now I've heated a pressure cooker on medium flame. We'll start preparing the pulao. Normally what my auntie used to do, she used to have that electric pressure cooker. So she used to fry all these ingredients in the kadai and then transfer it to the electric pressure cooker and cook this. So that's how she used to prepare it and I really used to enjoy it. Now I've added whole spices, the reserved whole spices, that is bay leaf, cardamom, star anise, cinnamon and cloves. We've also added dried black cardamom. We'll allow the spices to splutter first, then add the onion. Now I'll add the slit green chilies and fry the onion till it turns transparent. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter for regular updates. All the links will be in the description box below this video. Now here you can see the onion has turned light pink in color. Now I'll add chopped tomato. We need to stir well and fry the tomato till it is mushy. If you have any queries about any recipes, friends, please feel free to send me your query via mail, I'll definitely respond. It won't be on a YouTube comment, it will be on a mail. So here you can see I've added ginger and garlic paste and the ground masala paste. We'll fry all the ingredients till the raw flavor reduces, because ginger and garlic paste will have raw flavor and that masala paste will also be raw. You have to fry all the ingredients till the oil separates. Then we'll add some water and cook the masala. I've added salt as per taste. I'll stir all the ingredients and allow the masala to cook, and the oil should surface on top. Now you can see the masala has cooked well and the oil has surfaced on top and that biryani paste has formed. At this point I'll add my chickpeas. We'll fry the chickpeas in the masala for a minute. I already washed and reserved the basmati rice. I'll add the basmati rice. Earlier, if I'm preparing mutton biryani, chicken biryani, I'll always add that mutton broth or chicken broth. But here we have to add little bit extra water for the rice to cook. So I've not soaked the basmati rice. I've just washed it thoroughly and added it directly. So for 1 cup of rice, I'll be using 2 cups of water. Now we'll mix the rice well in the masala. I'll add 2 cups of water. We'll stir all the ingredients well. I'll place a cover and then whistle, and I cooked it for 3 whistles. This is on medium flame, not on high flame. Check and adjust the salt as per your preference, because we eat very less salt at home. Many of my YouTube viewers, they always keep asking me why you have not added salt. I add very less salt, but they don't notice it. After 3 whistles, friends, I removed the pressure cooker from the flame, allowed it to cool down completely. Then I opened the pressure cooker and my rice is done. I'll give the rice a good stir and then serve it. It has turned out very well, but not as tasty as my aunt's, but it turned out really good. I really enjoyed it. Do try this recipe, friends, and post your comments if you enjoyed watching this video recipe. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Share this recipe with your friends. Try to prepare as healthy and nutritious meals at home and enjoy with your family. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.